yo yo yippee yo yippee yay yo yo yippee yo yippee yay.
Is this a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yo 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 yippee yo yippee yay yeah yeah yo yo yippee. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Check the whole thing almost.
Oh, there you go.
Hang on, I think I might feel one too.
I got. Come on, you can do it. Like burp under pressure. Come on, let's drink.
And also on that one.
No.
Just see me kick. And like everyone's on.
What?
That day at the soccer game.
Come on, Jaya.
Almost. Friday. I can feel it Friday. I'm not sure which end it's going to come out.
I was thinking I didn't play. Like I was there.
Yeah. On Friday. How we're all in there.
That's nice to know.
Well, like, okay, so
Drink like you've never drunk before.
It looks like you have a cup as a nose.
Come on, Jaya.
Terry looks like she has a cup as a nose. And then, well, as a face. And then,
you almost feel it coming
and then look at this one. And this one.
Come on.
I think I just swallowed it down.
Oh my god, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna stop this video before you hurt yourself.
Stop it. Then like yeah, so then unpack. You're looking at my nose.
Let's explore the jungle. Oh my god.
My hands all look like the jungle.
Jaya's nose. That would be an awesome show. like today we're gonna enjoy the frosty part. It's like it's snowing snot.
Oh, you made me laugh down another one. Here, I drank the whole thing.
Oh,
You're
this
really
is
gonna
appetite.
at the end.
Oh god. Okay, I feel my. I'm ready burp. Okay,
She won. All done.
I know I so won.
I can't burp. I checked. Oh my god, I can almost feel it.
Stop it.
Where's that?
Okay, yeah, right.
No, seriously, that was an actual burp. Just didn't make any sense.
Mine was good. So, wait.
Look, there's a video of me licking ice cream.
Oh, I just swallowed it down. it was like on its way up. I could feel it coming up. Then I swallowed it.
Don't make me laugh so much while I'm drinking. I really would hate to feel my nose.
How are you doing?
You're
I'm trying to have a burping contest.
I just burped a little. You were taking photos. And that, no, I took a silly way photo. I almost choked, but instead I burped. Ew! Terry. That was funny.
I'm trying to concentrate.
Do it.
Burp.
Wait, go to my photo. Oh, I look so cute.
Look at that one.
And I wasn't even trying.
Terry, look. Terry. Okay, Zoe.
Wait.
Okay, that was another silent one. That was just sad. Terry attempting to burp. Like making funny faces.
Okay.
On that?
There you go.
I admire your burping ability. Zoe, you're my hero.
Zoe's mom was here, so bye-bye.
Well, you got to one of me again. Oh, you can slide them too.